Hello. In this video, I will share you everything about Slashit app. So let me share our interface first. In left side, what we have all the features list, the template, snippets, magical, and statistics. And then we have folder option. Here you can see. And after that, in the top right corner, we have system color change, and we have the profile option here. We have notification here as well. So in profile, what we have account settings, we have preference, we have subscription, and then we have shortcut setting here. So you can customize all the shortcut here. So here you can see, you can click here and you can record your shortcut directly from here. And then you can update change. Okay, now let's talk about the dynamic template. So here you can see when you click all template, you can see all the templates you have right now, and you have option add template. So click on that. You can enter your template name here, for example, project message. Then you can type your shortcut, for example, p message, something like this. Then you can type your message here that you want to send to your client. For example, here you can see I can use dynamic placeholder here. Hello. So you need to change the client name again and again. So you can input field here, client name I can type here. So you can remember that on. Yeah. Then you can type your message. This is a test message. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, done. So you can do something like this. At the same time, you can add variation here. For example, this is the, you can edit like normal message. Then you can add another variation, project update. Maybe you can add project proposal here. So you can type your message here. You can select your variation and then you can send. You can assign your folder directly here, and then you can press save to save the template. So let me show you what we have right now. For example, I have a dynamic template portfolio. So here you can see this one is Panjay Dribble portfolio, then Panjay branding portfolio. This one is Panjay app Dribble. So this is we have right now. Let me show you how it will work. So I will type my shortcut here, portfolio. Then you can see here, I can select the variation. Remember, we created the variation already. So I can select Panjay Dribble and I can hit enter. And then you can see here, this is the message that I need to send. Okay, now let me share how snippets will work. Okay, so snippet is all about text expander. For example, you can write short and expand a full sentence for that. You can see the list of text expander, I mean snippet here, and then you can click add snippet to your snippet text here. So this is the shortcut and this is the full text. So for example, you need to use like thanks, and then you can type the message like this. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback, like this. So let me show you how we have right now. For example, here you can see this is the L follow I have created already, and I have this message for the shortcut. Okay, so let me show you how it will work. For example, I'm typing here L follow, and here you can see this message appeared here. So this is how snippets will work in this application. Okay, now let me share with you how Magical will work. So this feature is all about rewrite sentence. So for example, here you can see I have on options here, improve sentence. This is my hotkey. So what you can do is you can click on add magical. You can type your magical name, for example, improve sentence. Sorry. Yeah. Then you can write your AI instructions that you need to follow to write the or rewrite the sentence. Then you can click to record. For example, I'm typing here something like this, shortcut config. So I can type this. Yeah. And then we have features here as well directly who is AI model you will choose. So let me choose ChatGPT. You can save the magical directly here. So as we already have the improve sentence hotkey, let me show you the example. For example, I have written a text for the reference. Let me select and let me press my hotkey. And here you can see this improve sentence is generating response. And yeah, this is done. So this is how Magical will work. Okay, now let me show you another feature from Magical. As I already mentioned you that we have two options here, run prompt on clipboard content and keep result in clipboard. So see here, I have a LinkedIn comment magical template right now. The name is LinkedIn comment and instruction I already shared with Slashit. And then this is my shortcut. I have selected this and I have choose the AI model. So let me show you how it will work. So for that, I copy this text from one of my LinkedIn post. Yeah, copied. And then in comment box, I just need to press the hotkey. And here you can see generating response from that medical template, LinkedIn comment. Yeah, this is what we already got from Slashit app. So for your reference, if you need to tweak here, you can remove any sentence or you can tweak and you can comment using this. Okay, now let's talk about another feature, clipboard history. So for that, let me share with you the shortcut first. See here, the open clipboard history shortcut is this. So I have created my own shortcut. You can create your own shortcut by clicking here and you can click update changes. So for this on, let me copy a couple of things from my post. As you can see, I'm copying this item right now. I am trying to take a screenshot as well. Okay. And then now let me open this notepad. I'm typing my hotkey that I created for open clipboard history. So see here, today I have copied this item. So let me go one by one. Here you can see this one is the image, another image, and this is the text. So what you can do, you can select this one using arrow, and then you can hit enter to paste that into your preference place. So yeah, that's it for the Slashit app features.